Hey people, so this book called The Male Brain, I read quite some time ago, and it's by Luann Brizendine, MD, author of international bestseller The Female Brain. And the this book is very like every parent who has a son, or even as a woman, if you want to understand your guy, or just generally, even as a man, I think everybody needs to read this book, The Male Brain, because it speaks about little known facts that uh, apparently the very circuit of male and female brain is different. So it came as a big surprise to me, and these differences are noted right from the time a baby is born. They say that male babies get more fascinated with geometric shapes, and something near their crib, if it is put, they can keep looking at geometric shapes. But for a female baby, she needs to be carried, and she's more into making human contact, like she'd rather have a person look at her, and because what has happened is, the male and female brain right from infancy is different, and I didn't know this. So that's what, do try and read it, people. It's called The Male Brain, and it is by Luann Brizendine. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. As always, my reviews don't exceed 1 minute, but soon I think I'll start making long reviews. That'll be fun. So thanks for watching, people.